Hello children, today we are going to the same topic. I am taking again the reddish picture. Topic is before we have to learn how to do the pencil shading work. Now with the color pencil how we can do the same reddish picture with the color pencils, and for that we need this three color, okay, three color pencil, and as well as our pencil also we need it. And after completing the drawing of, you have learned how to do the outline of the drawing. So first I'm going to finish my drawing as a reddish outlining. I'm going to finish. After again completing of that, I will show how to do the fill the colors. And it is a learning of the reddish same picture we can do with this pencil first shading work, again the color pencil shading work, drawing color, poster colors, and every colors when we are changing the colors it will be show effect a different type of. Okay, now see, I'm going to start with the pencil color. Let me start that work first, and then after we'll learn later that also how to do the color with watercolor or poster colors, how we can do, and maybe you can do at home with your own self also, and you can see the effect of all things. Okay, so I have completed my drawing, you can see. Now first I'm going to start our upper parts, which is for the linings we need it. Okay, how to do this reddish, the drawing you can see completely I have done. It is a light of the color, not much dark I did not did. So you can see that one. Now I'm going to start the coloring parts, which is the first upper side. I'm going to do outlinings first. We have to finish very lighter, not much darker. This all we have to do. This is very important parts to have to do the light, and this is the dark. I'm taking a little bit light only, which is inner part little bit hard leaf you will see inside, and it is not completely green color. Okay, it is not completely green color. You can see on the pencil only my color pencil also is running, and the drawing what we have did the same drawing is there. That picture is not there, this is different. And after completing this I will click the photos and I will send you. I heard few students has complained because of video they are unable to see proper picture, so I will send that one also to you. Now in this video finishing after this completing our work. Now middle you can see I have left it the place. This place is for, we will use middle yellow color. This is for the yellow color, very lightly we have to do, not much, because it is when we are taking the reddish it is actually whiter part. So already we have white, but little bit yellowish type is there, not complete white. Okay, so light, very light I'm doing the drawing that colors. You can see it's done my yellow. In the videos maybe it is looking at dark for you. And now I'm going to start my shadows work. Shadows means first we have to light and dark, it's completely will come. So which part is going to dark and which part is dark and light, you can see the dark. Again the pencil where we have did that part will be a darker. So with this only we will make it a dark part, and as well as this one also I'm making a together only the dark. Okay, my pencil color is gone. Wait a minute. Now I have did my pencil works. Okay, now this is parts I'm completely making a dark, not shading, but I'm filling the color because this is the folding one leaf, and in this light I'm making a lining. Okay, when we are purchasing the leaf you can see so many linings also is there, and this is shadow linings. Okay, now I'm going to make here also color. You can see my, I told in the class also, when we are filling the color with the pencil color or crayons, the hand movement should be one side, not like this we should not fill. Okay, not fill like this is the wrong. Our hand movement should be one side. That pictures and colors will be look nice when we are filling the color. Okay, now lightly I'm filling all the color in picture. Then after I will show how to do the shading, very light, and you can see in the one hand movement only I'm finishing this complete picture. Okay, and this is the folder and darker part, so I'm making completely dark this one as well as the outlining. Now I'm making an outlining and going to start the shading parts of this picture. You can see which is we have did with the pencil before video. Okay, that only with the color pencil, so I'm making a dark. And this is again the shade parts, which is the come to the part of the shade, it will be a darker parts. Okay, that parts completely will be dark. And done of a shading part here. I'm making little bit finishing parts here also. Here it's done. Okay, this is I have made little bit dark. Why? Here is a leaf is fold. Leaf is fold here, so I have made that part is a dark. And done, its leaf parts has done. Now we'll complete to final of this. The outlining I'm making with the black little bit, but we'll do first with the yellow. Okay, only the outlining parts we are doing. Pencil as well is there, so light we will make it yellow. When we'll see in the shadow, no, this reddish will look little bit yellowish color. So I have completely, and there only you can see I am making very light of the yellow, not complete. Okay, reddish picture will be going to finish very fast, not much feeling of the color. And I told you before also, the hand movement should be one place, not here and there. Okay, this is done. Now I'm going to placing of our roots parts, which is very important. I told in the class before also. So root parts little bit you can see the down also, the darker place which is went inner. Okay, the placing also, as well as I'm finishing this work also, you can see carefully, you see these parts. Okay, here when the near will come, it roots will be more will be there. Now the roots linings. Okay, roots linings is there, this one I told it will be look very lighter. Okay, I'm making with the black, so you can see the very clearly. Actually it will be with the yellow color. So I'm repeating on that only yellow color also, so it will be look good. And side parts also will be do with this only. First I'm making the black, so easily I can find out where I have did the root parts of the side one. I told you when we have come the down, root will be a more is there. And maybe some of you are going to vegetable markets to see, you can see the find out in the home also vegetable will come. You have to see the vegetables, observe the vegetable also sometime very clearly, how the shapes are there, what colors are there. It's easy for the us to drawing, to do the drawing time, to do the drawing. Okay, and our reddish is completed. Now the darker parts we have to do in this. She is instruction me to do the yellow parts as finished, not completed. Okay, this girl is now sitting and troubling me here. Now we'll come here, the darker parts which we have did in the pencil shading. In this three colors are going to use. You can see I'm doing first yellow, then after green color. First whenever we have to do the lighter color, and then after darker color. Now little bit dark our green, we have to see that green. I have seen when you are doing this shading, no one is making the circle of this shape, because this is the shape of the circle, so we have to turn in the shape of the circle, and it is not completely straight lining. Okay, so many has sent it to me this picture, but they are doing like this mistakes are. And one of the our students, he's saying no, this is only the corrector what he's saying. So you have to observe now very light, one or two lines we can see the black color. When we purchase this carrots, no, this reddish, that time it will be here very lighter. I'm not making perfectly that one. Now our black colors work is going to start. to make a shading. Okay, you have to observe this also. Making very light with the color pencil only, black, and it's making my picture turn. The radish is turn in the circle. I told you by drawing we can show the picture change in the shape, and from here it is going to up shadings. Okay, my picture is going to finish almost. Yeah, done. I have done my work. Now you have to do your work. Very lighter outlining, very light. And here few linings only I'm going to give, not much, not complete black I'm not going to do. There's only few places just for the effect, good look. Okay, you can see I'm not making complete, somewhere I'm doing. So this somewhere is making change of my leaf shape, and this is the turning another leaf, so again it will be dark. Done. Our drawing has done. You have to finish. Okay, I will click the photo and I will send.